Hi Tritons, this is Simon here with the Triton Transfer Hub, here to share an important transportation tip for all commuters. Did you know that there's a platform where you can find other carpools, meet commuter students, and earn incentives like discounted U-Locks? The Triton Commuter Club was invented to reward you for taking alternate transportation methods to campus. Join the over 10,000 users that are already using this service at UCSD and check out this video to see how you can set up your own profile. Some modes of transportation you can track include walking, busing or trolleying, scootering or biking, as well as carpooling. Now that we know some of the modes of transportation compatible with the Triton Commuter Club, let's set up your website account. First, navigate to ucsd.ridemigos.com, hit the Get Started button, and enter your student login information. After signing in and answering some basic questions, you'll reach this screen. You can hit the Let's Go button to set up your commute, or scroll down to enter your trips individually as they occur. To set up the app, you'll first download the Commuter Tracker by RideMigos. Once you've downloaded the RideMigos app, you'll see that you need a PIN number in order to sign in. On the Commuter Club webpage, go to your profile, and under Connected Apps, you'll see your PIN number. After logging in, you'll enter your typical commute path, your typical mode of transportation, and whether your commute varies by day. Then you are all set up. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for next week where we'll show you how you can find carpools through the Triton Commuter Club. Bye Tritons! Hi Tritons! This is Simon here with the Triton Transfer Hub, here with our second video in collaboration with the Triton Commuter Club. In this video, you'll find out how you can use your Triton Commuter Club portal in order to create and find carpools to campus. After logging into your Triton Commuter Club portal, you'll navigate to the trip planning icon on the bottom left of the screen. After entering information about your typical commute, you'll gain access to carpools that travel near your area. You can tap on any of the carpools to gain a map to see the distance that they travel. If you see a carpool that you'd like to join, you can hit the Connect button and send the carpool driver a message to introduce yourself and await a response. To make your carpool official and access carpool reserved parking spaces, locate the carpool link under Transportation's page and follow the listed steps. That's all for this video, Tritons. Stay tuned for the final installment of our series where we'll show you how you can log your trips to campus and earn incentives for doing so. Bye, Tritons. Hi, Tritons. This is Simon here with the Triton Transfer Hub, here with our third and final collaborative video with the Triton Commuter Club. In this video, we'll show you how you can track your commutes to campus using the Triton Commuter Club website and app, and how you can use the points you accrue by tracking your trips to earn great incentives such as discounted U-Locks, discounted helmets, and by entering a quarterly raffle for an e-bike. Let's start with the website. After logging into your UCSD Triton Commuter Club portal, you'll scroll to the Log Your Trips widget. Here, you'll enter your start and end location, the departure time, the return time, and the distance traveled, as well as the mode of transportation. Trips that can be logged are those that use a mode of transportation other than a single occupancy vehicle. These include carpools, public transportation, bike rides to campus, and working from home. After entering all of this information, you'll select the days that you traveled, which will then be circled in blue, and then hit Log Trips. Tracking trips is even easier on the app because you've already saved your commute route, as we showed you in video 1. You'll click the commute button in the bottom of the screen and then be prompted to confirm your travels to campus and back from campus, as well as the mode of transportation. Then you hit confirm and you're all done. And with that, you are officially a pro of the Triton Commuter Club. If you have any questions remaining, feel free to comment them below or DM the Transportation Instagram. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.